how to remove the lock strip windows. I've already started to remove the lock strip from the center, where you can see it's sticking up a little bit at the top. Going to continue to use a pick to get up underneath it enough to grab it, and be able to just pull it straight out. And then after this, you'll see me take a utility blade and go up from where the lock strip was sitting up at about a 45-degree angle, trying to get towards the outer edge of that window without scratching the window. And as you can see, I'm still learning how to avoid the camera and not completely block out the view, but you'll get a little better view on this end. Now I'm planning on completely removing these windows and just fiberglassing over the opening, so I'm not trying to save the seal. It is possible to remove these while retaining the seal, but unless the seal is only a few years old, most likely it's dry and shrunken like this one has, and you're going to want to replace it anyways. Now once I get up to the bottom out and both the sides, I'm going to start trying to pry the window up from the bottom. And you'll see here in a couple seconds where I don't quite have enough of the rubber cut out just yet. I'm going to put a little bit of force into this, but not so much that I may crack the fiberglass around it. You can see there I've got just a little bit more to go. It was I was trying to keep my arms out of the camera shots, and the angles for the tools were a little bit difficult at times. Normally I'd get through this a whole lot quicker. And there it is. Pop it out.